Get ready to dive into a fascinating discovery that might just change how we view stress and anxiety. Oxytocin, often associated with love and bonding, has an unexpected role in synchronizing our heartbeat and breathing. This newly uncovered neural pathway is a game changer, offering a fresh perspective on our body's natural rhythms. When we're calm, our breathing and heartbeat slow down, creating a harmonious rhythm. Conversely, during exercise or psychological stress, these rhythms speed up. This natural variation, known as respiratory heart rate variability, RespHRV, is a key indicator of heart health and the proper functioning of our autonomic nervous system. However, certain medical conditions disrupt this synchronization, and the neural mechanisms behind it have remained somewhat of a mystery. But here's where it gets controversial. Researchers from Aix-Marseille University have delved into this mystery, focusing on mice, and their findings are nothing short of groundbreaking. Published in Nature Neuroscience, the study suggests that oxytocin, OT, a neurotransmitter, plays a crucial role in modulating the synchronization of our breath and heartbeat. And this is the part most people miss. It does this through a newly discovered neural pathway connecting the hypothalamus, brainstem, and heart. Julie Buron and her team wrote, "Relaxation and positive socio-emotional states can amplify RespHRV, yet the underlying mechanism remains largely unknown." Their research identifies a specific neuronal pathway in rodents where OT amplifies RespHRV during calming behaviors. OT neurons in the hypothalamus influence a subgroup of inhibitory neurons in the pre-Botzinger complex, a brainstem nucleus responsible for generating the inspiratory rhythm. To understand how OT influences this synchronization, Buron and her colleagues conducted a series of experiments on mice. Using advanced imaging and experimental methods, they observed how OT release affects the synchronization between heart and breath, and how oxytocin-producing neurons interact with other brain cells. This led to the discovery of a novel pathway involving neurons in the hypothalamus, a specific neuron population in the brain stem, pre-Botzinger complex, and the heart. The collective activity of these neurons and OT release modulates the synchronization between heartbeat and breathing. The potential implications of this research are immense. The authors wrote, OT enhances the glycinergic input from OT receptor-expressing neurons in the pre-Botzinger complex to cardiac innervating parasympathetic neurons in the nucleus ambiguous during inspiration. This results in an amplified respiratory modulation of parasympathetic activity to the heart, enhancing RespHRV. In simpler terms, OT helps our body recover from stress by regulating cardiac activity during calming behaviors. This study highlights the crucial role of OT in synchronizing breathing and heart rhythm, and identifies the neural mechanisms through which this neurotransmitter promotes relaxation and RespHRV. As we explore and validate these findings further, they could lead to the development of new therapeutic interventions for stress recovery and anxiety disorders. So, what do you think? Could this be a game changer for stress management and anxiety treatment? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.